Operation Research MCQs Part 6. This MCQs are based on transportation problems. Let's see filling the blanks. In dash solution, number of allocated cell is not equal to m plus n minus 1.15. Correct answer, non-degenerate. Second, the dash in VAM represent difference between smallest two cost of respective row and column. Correct answer, panel T. To find initial feasible solution, the allocation starts from top left corner in dash method of transportation. Correct answer, northwest corner. The dash method initial feasible solution for transportation problem is sometimes an optimum solution itself. Correct answer, VAM, that is Vogel appropriation method. If the transportation element are distance element in given assignment problem, then it is of dash type. Correct answer, minimization. If total supply is not equal to the total demand, then we have to convert dash transportation problem to a balanced stage to find optimum transportation cost. Correct answer, unbalanced. A dummy source is included in the cost matrix with zero cost. The excess demand is entered as a ream requirement for this dummy source when a total supply is dash total demand. The correct answer, less than. When total supply is more than the total demand, dummy dash is included in the cost matrix with zero cost. The excess supply is entered as a ream requirement for this dummy source. Destination. Correct answer, destination or column. If the transportation problem items are allotted to from sources to destination at a minimum, answer is cost. The assignment model is a special case of the dash model. Answer, transportation. Multiple choice questions. The initial solution of a transportation problem can be obtained by applying any known method. However, the only condition is that the solution be optimum. Option B, the ream condition are satisfied. Option 3, the solution not be degenerate. D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, the ream condition are satisfied. Second, the dummy source or destination in the transportation problem is added to option A, satisfy ream condition. Option B, prevent solution for becoming degenerate. Option C, ensure that the total cost does not exceed a limit. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, satisfy ream condition. Third, the occurrence of degeneracy while solving a transportation problem means that option A, total supply equals total demand. Option B, the solution so obtained is not feasible. Option C, the few allocation become negative. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, the solution so obtained is not feasible. Fourth, an alternative optimum solution to a minimization transportation problem exists whenever opportunity cost corresponding to unused route of transportation is option A, positive and greater than 0. Option B, positive with at least 1 equal to 0. Option C, negative with at least 1 equal to 0. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, positive with at least 1 equal to 0. Fifth, one disadvantage of using northwest corner rule to find initial solution to the transportation problem is that option A, it is complicated to use. Option B, it does not take into account cost of transportation. Option C, It leads to generate initial solution. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer option B. It does not take into account cost of transportation. Sixth, the solution to the transportation problem with m rows and n columns is feasible if number of positive allocations are option A m plus n, option B m into n, option C m plus n minus 1, option D m plus n plus 1. Correct answer option C m plus n minus 1. Seventh, if an opportunity cost value is used for an unused cell to test optimality, it should be option A equal to 0, option B most negative number, option C most positive number, option D any value. The correct answer is option B most negative number. During a iteration while moving one solution to the next, degeneracy may occur when option A, the closed path indicates a diagonal move. Option B, two or more occupied cells are on the closed path but neither of them represent a corner of the path. Option C, two or more occupied cells on the closed path with minus sign are tied for lowest circled value. D, neither of the above. The correct answer is option C, two or more occupied cells on the closed path with minus sign are tied for lowest circled value. Ninth, the large negative opportunity cost value in an unused cell in the transportation table is chosen to improve the current solution because option A, it represents per unit cost reduction, option B, it represents per unit cost improvement, option C, it ensures no rim requirement violation, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, it represents per unit cost reduction. 10th, in a transportation problem, the smallest quantity is chosen at the corner of the closed path with negative sign to be assigned at unused cell because option A, it improves the total cost, it does not disturb rim condition, it ensures feasible solution, D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, it ensures feasible solution. 11. When total supply is equal to total demand in a transportation problem, the problem is said to be option A, balance, option B, unbalanced, option C, degenerate, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, balanced. 12th, which of the following method is used to verify the optimality of the correct solution of the transportation problem? Option A, least cost method, option B, Vogel's approximation method, option C, modified distribution method, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, modified distribution method. 13. If total supply is equal to total demand and the matrix element are time element, then the problem is option A, balance and minimization transportation problem, unbalanced and minimization transportation problem, C, balance and minimization assignment problem, D, unbalanced and minimization assignment problem. The correct answer is option A, balance and minimization transportation problem. The solution of any transportation problem is obtained in how many stages? 5, 4, 3, 2. The correct answer is option D, 2. In optimum solution is the dash stage of the solution obtained by improving the initial solution. Option A, third, option B, first, option C, second, option D final. The correct answer is option C second. 16. Modi method is used to obtain optimum solution, optimality test, both A and B. D. Optimization. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. 17. Unfeasible solution to a transportation problem containing M origin and N destination is said to be independent, degenerate, non-degenerate, both A and B. The correct answer is option C, non-degenerate. 18. A path formed by allowing horizontal and vertical lines and the entire corner cell of which are occupied is called a occupied path, open path, closed path, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, closed path. 19. Transportation algorithm can be used for minimization the transportation cost of dash form of O origin and D destination. Option A goods, option B products, option C items, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A goods. 20. If demand is lesser than supply, then dummy demand node is added to make it a option A simple problem, option B balance problem, option C transportation problem, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B balance problem. True or false? According to transportation problem, number of basic cell should be exactly m plus n plus 1 so that it becomes non-degenerate. Answer false. If total supply is not equal to total demand and a matrix element then are sales element, then the problem is unbalanced and maximization transportation problem. Answer true. If total supply is equal to total demand and a matrix element are cost element, then the problem is unbalanced and minimization transportation problem. Answer false. To test optimality in transportation problem, least cost method matrix minimum method is used. Answer false. If at least one unit is allotted to a prohibited cost cell, we get infeasible solution. True. Basic cell indicate positive value and non-basic cells have zero value for flow. Answer true. Most negative number is to be used as opportunity cost value for an unused cell to test optimality. Answer true. Minimization and balanced transportation problem is converted to maximization and balance condition to get rigid matrix and to find further IFS and optimum solution. False. One of the method to get rigid matrix is multiplied by -1 to all transportation element of the maximization and balanced transportation problem. Answer true. Modi method is the best method to get initial feasible transportation solution. Answer false. Match the column. Column A, first, prohibition in transportation. Correct answer option B, M. Transportation element as profit. Correct answer option H. Maximization type transportation problem. Third, transportation element as time. Correct answer option J. Minimization type transportation problem. Add dummy column. Correct answer option F. If total supply is less than total demand in transportation problem. Add dummy row. Correct answer option G. If total supply is less than total demand in transportation problem. If in optimum solution delta ij equal to 0. Correct answer option A. Alternate optimum transportation solution available. 7. If in optimum solution delta ij is less than 0. Answer option C. Unique optimum transportation solution available. 8. The number of allocation is less than m plus n minus 1. Correct answer option D. Degenerate transportation solution. 9th. The number of allocation equals to m plus n minus 1. Correct answer option B. Non-degenerate transportation solution. 10th. WAM. Correct answer option I. Penalty. For more MCQs, please prefer subscribing and click on notification bell icon for next part. Thank you.